Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny and I am a fashion and lifestyle YouTuber based out of New York. And I'm so excited to share today's video with you guys because I'm doing my first ever unboxing as well as revealing my first ever designer shoe purchase with you guys. So this is exciting for me. I hope it's exciting for you. So before we begin, I just want to say a little bit about the site I got these items from. So today I have two boxes here with me, and these are both items from TheRealReal. So this video is not sponsored, but if you haven't heard of it, TheRealReal is an online luxury consignment platform. And it's a really cool website. They have everything from shoes to clothes to jewelry and homeware, and it's all designer pieces. So it's one of my favorite apps to use because, as I've mentioned in other videos, I love thrifting. Thrifting is one of my greatest passions. I love it. It's such a fun hobby, and in one of my other videos, I either will be showing you how I use Poshmark, or I already have shown you how I use Poshmark. So anyway, long story short, I love thrifting. TheRealReal is a great way to thrift designer luxury pieces at a really good price, and I think you'll see that today. Both of these items were under $100. One of them was under $50 as well. So really good prices, exciting stuff. Check it out. I will leave a link in the description box if you want to visit their website. But without further ado, let's get into unboxing these items. So I don't know which package is which. I will tell you I got two pairs of shoes. So that's what we're going to be looking at today. So I have the first one here. Since I live in New York, they have a warehouse, I think in New Jersey, that they ship some of their items from, and then a warehouse in California where they ship the other items from. So one of these packages came like the day after I ordered it, which is awesome. The other one took like a week, 10 days, something like that, because it was being shipped from California. So I waited a long time so that I could open these together with you guys on camera. So let's open this first one. What's inside. So first of all, it comes with a little packet here. This is TheRealReal. This, by the way, is the first time I've ever bought anything from TheRealReal, so you're gonna get all my genuine first impressions here. But oh, this is cute. Okay, so it's a card in here, and on the inside it says, "We are thrilled that you found something you love on TheRealReal. We stand proudly behind the authenticity of every item we sell. TheRealReal is a leader in the circular economy, and by shopping and consigning with us, you're helping the environment by extending the lifetime value of luxury goods." Signed, their CEO and founder. Then it has a little authenticity guaranteed thing in here, and then just some of their other information. And then I have my receipt. Okay. Comes in a little dust bag, which is so cute. Oh, okay. Oh, these are so cool. So this is a pair of Giuseppe Zantoni pony hair heels. Get the other one out. All right. Oh, these are so cool. Okay, so you can see them here. They're Giuseppe's, they're black, just a standard pump, but let me get a little closer so you can see the pony hair on here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but they're fuzzy. Oh, this is so cool. Very soft as well. Oh, they're in such good condition. I can say they came exactly as described on the website, even better, honestly. Since this is like a consignment site, all of the shoes have a little bit of wear, so you can see that at the sole here, but nothing I'm worried about. You're not gonna see that part anyway. All right, so this second second one is the one I waited over a week on and is the pair of shoes that I was the most excited to be getting. So I'm very stoked to be opening this with you. Alright, she's open. Again, we have the little pamphlet that we saw from the last one. Okay, again, they come in the little dust bag, so I'm seeing consistency, which is good. Oh my god, I'm so excited! You guys. Oh my god. You guys, this is a pair of Christian Dior snakeskin heels, little mules. Oh my god. These are so cool. Oh my god. These are incredible. Okay, let me get close up so you can see them. How cool. They have the little Dior here. Oh, these are beautiful. I'm so excited. They have the serial number in here as well. So cool. Okay, so I'm gonna insert pictures here now of each of the items. So first, here's a screenshot of the Giuseppe's that I bought. As you can see, they were $30 something, either 32, 38, something like that. Guys, that is so cheap for a pair of Giuseppe's, and they are in such good condition. I'm so excited. These are just perfect for any occasion where you just need a simple black pump. It's even a little more elevated because of the pony hair on it. So I am so stoked about these. And then you guys, these Dior mules, Christian Dior mules, were $78. $78, under $100 for this pair of heels. Like, you can go to DSW or another store, I don't know, anywhere that sells shoes, and just a standard pair of black mules like this could run you about the same price. Like, Christian Dior black snakeskin mules for $78. Like, I'm so excited about this, I can't even explain. Well guys, that brings us to the end of this designer shoe unboxing. I think it went really well. My first impressions are amazing of the TheRealReal. Everything was packaged really nicely. I love the little card. I love the little card that came with it. They came in their own dust bags, which is great. As I can see from in this pamphlet, the TheRealReal has a couple brick and mortar locations as well. So I see here they have 3 stores, 2 in New York here, and 1 in LA. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I would be more than happy. I'd be very excited to film another video where I hit 1 or both of the New York stores here. So if you guys did enjoy this video, let me know if you would like to see a video where I go to the 2 stores here in New York so that you can see what the physical locations look like. I've never been there before, but after opening these items, I would be really excited to go. So let me know if that's something you would like to see. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a like and go ahead and subscribe to my channel as well while you're at it. I enjoy posting fashion, businessy, lifestyle type related videos. If you guys have any suggestions for future videos, leave them down below, and then give me your thoughts on the TheRealReal as well, or if you've ever purchased from them, or whatever your favorite piece you've gotten from them is. I would love to hear. So thanks again for watching, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.